Okay guys, so I kind of did a thing, and I've been kind of thinking about like some of the things that I want to do with the channel. So me and Xavier have been talking, and I think we made the right decision. So what I did was I sold the cart, and I actually have something else on the way, but here's an image of how the cart left, and I couldn't really video it because my computer was kind of screwy and I just got it back. So there's a lot of stuff going on in this video, but as you can see, I still have my truck. The truck is still here. It is still alive and well, still looking pretty decent. I don't plan on selling it anytime soon. My dad might get it from me, but that's really about it. But yeah, so that's definitely something different. But I do have the new mountain bike, so I will be doing some mountain biking, and I'm also going to be doing like some rebuilds, like car rebuilds and stuff like that. And I purchased a vehicle. It's on its way here now, and pretty excited. I got a pretty good deal on it. I bought it just to flip. I might do wheels and suspension, but that's really about it. So yeah, it should be here in a minute, and yeah, I'm pretty excited. Alright, so the new project is here. It is a 2006 BMW 330i. Got some bumper damage. Needs kidney, and I think I'm going to try to find a carbon fiber hood. But pretty clean old car. For the price I got it for, I can't really complain. It is a 2-owner vehicle, low mileage for the year. It's got 170k, which is pretty low for any used German car. I would say that you're getting from like a person that really drives it. It's got 3 really big parts of it that I need to address. Here we have a dimple. I can get that knocked out and get that paint match. The bumper looks pretty rough, so of course I have to get that done, and the hood looks pretty rough. But for the most part, and of course this fender, and for the most part that's really it. So what we'll do is we'll get it cleaned up, and I think it does run, and of course this dimple here, but I think it does run. I'm pretty positive it runs. I think it has a misfire, which I think is going to be a crank sensor, but we'll check that out, and yeah, so let's get it cleaned up. Alright, so I've showed you guys the outside of the car. I totally forgot to show you the inside, so I'm going to show you that too. It needs a little attention, but it's pretty clean for what it is. So yeah, let me show you. Dirty, really dirty. Alright, so they dropped it off. It's time to do the first drive of it. Let's see how it drives around the neighborhood. Probably not that great, but we're about to try it. Hopefully it'll start. Got the way, bro. Yeah, so this should be pretty wicked. This is a real hoopty, so it should be fun. Sounds like it's got a turbo, but it doesn't. Can't see anything. Hey, it's got some giddy up, man. Too bad already. That's the speed sensor isn't working. Wonder what that's about. Actually, I think I know why. Well, the RPM sensors are working. Dash is lit up like a Christmas tree, but I don't think we're gonna have that many issues, so we're gonna get it back to the house and start diagnosing it. First we're gonna get it cleaned up, and then we're gonna see what's wrong with this joker. Maybe we can get it running smooth. Okay. Man, this paint looks pretty good. outside of being dirty as shit, it looks amazing. Looks really good, like glass, man. So gonna wax it and see what it comes out to be after I get it fixed. So looks really good. Oh man.